In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the IndyPL Kids website to search for books and also to place holds on books. You don't actually have to come to the library to search for books and find out if we have something you want. So the way to get to IndyPL Kids is just to search in Google IndyPL Kids Catalog, and it should pop right up for you. It's this one that says IndyPLKidsBibliocommons.com. This is the website that you use to search for books in our school library and also to reserve books and have them sent to school where you can pick up your hold. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to search for a book. Let's say I'm in my classroom and I want to know if we have any books in our library about anteaters. So I'm going to search anteaters. And the book options come up. Now, it's showing me the books right now that are available everywhere in the IndyPL system. If I want to know what's available in my library right now, I will go to Available Now. I can click on Show More and look for my school's name. So I'm going to find LT Amy Beverland. Check that box, and I can see that there are 5 anteater books available, and now it will show me what they are. So I see Alexander Anteater's Amazing Act. If I want to know where that is, I can see that it's available 2 places. At the public library, it's a JZDER, but I could go look in the DER section in our Easies because I know that all easy fiction and fiction books are arranged in ABC order by the first 3 letters of the author's last name. So De Rubertus, the first 3 letters are DER. I can see I can also get it on Access 360 if I want to read it as an ebook. I'm going to keep scrolling and see if I can find another one. These are all fiction books that feature anteaters. It's not a fact book, but I'm kind of interested in this one, Anteater's Mystery Vacation. I'm going to click on that. And I can see where it's available. It's available at my school at Amy Beverland. The call number is ECUS because the author is Cushman. So I don't need to place a hold on this. I'm headed to the library later today, and I'll just write this down or make a note of the ECUS, and I will look for it on the shelf when I get to the library. If you're not at school, or there's a book that you want to place a hold on that is not at our school, you can place a hold. This is great for our virtual friends. Virtual friends, you can place holds on books that are either in the Amy Beverland collection or anywhere from IndyPL, and then come pick them up at school. So to do that, I'm going to click on Place a Hold. It's going to ask me for my username or password and my PIN. Your username is your whole library barcode. If you're at school, you can find that on your green card in the library or the orange one in your classroom. I'm going to type in that whole number. It's very long, so make sure you do it carefully and get all the numbers in the right order. Then the PIN is the last 4 numbers of that. So I will add in my last 4 numbers again. If I'm on my own Chromebook or device, I can say, remember me on this device. Then I won't have to type this in every time. I'm going to go ahead and log in. If this is the first time you've logged in, it might send you through a quick registration process where you pick a color and you pick an animal and it assigns you a username. If it does that, you can write that down and you can use that, but you can always use your barcode and your last four numbers if you forget that username. Now that I'm logged in, I can place that hold. So I'm going to click on confirm hold here. I'm going to pick it up at Amy Beverland and I will say confirm hold. When this book is available, it's going to send an email to me, and it's going to send an email to the email address that is on my library account. It will tell me that that book is ready, and then I can come to the library to pick it up. If you're not sure what email address that is, or you want to check that, you can go up to your account. You can go all the way down to My Settings. On My Settings, you can click on your email address. You can change it here. You can also check your username and your PIN. So there are lots of things that you can do in your settings. So if you want to know what books you have out and what you have due, click on your My Library dashboard. That's going to show me that I have one book checked out. I have two books on hold, shows me my borrowing history if I want to see what I have checked out in the past, and it shows me if I owe any fees. So if I decide that I don't want to hold, this is where I can cancel it. I could go here and look at my holds, and I just placed the one on Anteater's Mystery Vacation, but this Zebras one, it's not ready yet, and I found a different book, so I'm just going to cancel that hold because I don't need that book anymore. I'll say yes, cancel my hold, and then it won't be saved for me and somebody else can have it. I hope this helps you figure out how to search for books and place holds on library books at Amy Beverland. Have a great day.